A Python package got compromised last week. It handles nearly 100 million downloads every month. From NASA to Netflix, the blast radius was truly global. The package is called LiteLLM. Think of it as a single gateway that connects your application to the entire AI ecosystem. Because it's a gateway, every one of your API keys flows through this node. This makes it the perfect target. If you control the gateway, you control the keys to the entire AI kingdom. On March 24th, a new version was published to PyPI, but there was a problem. This version didn't exist in the official GitHub repository. No commit, no tag. The attacker injected a malicious.pth file. In Python, these execute automatically as soon as the interpreter starts. No import needed. This means the moment you ran your AI agent or your server, the malicious code was already running in your environment. The real danger was how it spread. It came in silently as a transitive dependency through other popular tools like Cursor and various agent frameworks. This is the velocity trap in action. Capabilities move fast, but our visibility into what we actually ship is lagging behind. Discovery started when machines began to freeze. Unusual RAM spikes led to an investigation, which finally uncovered the hidden payload. But this wasn't isolated. The same group had already compromised tools like Trivy to harvest credentials, moving laterally into the LiteLLM pipeline to infect the entire stack. The most concerning part, everything looked legitimate. It was a signed package from a trusted tool in a valid pipeline, and yet it was still compromised. This is the gap we focus on. Trace AI spots these behavioral mismatches by looking at the provenance of every instruction, ensuring you truly know what you are shipping. AI stacks are moving fast. Governance can't be a bottleneck, but it must be an engineering reality. So I ask you, do you know what is running in your environment right now? Secure your supply chain. Visit Cerberus.ai.